Okay, from now this video onwards, we will have most important questions of chapter wise in 2B. Okay, most important questions from the chapter wise in 2B. Okay, this is very important, sir. Now, this videos you have to go through perfectly. Okay, now I'll be doing in circles chapter first 7 marks questions. Okay, 7 marks questions. I think probably you may get these papers within a short time. First question. Show that the points are concyclic and find the equation of circle on which they lie. Okay, first question, A bit. What are the points? 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 8. So I am starting most important questions chapter wise. Solution. Okay, so let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 require circle. What is the first point? 1, 1. 1 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. Substitution, sir. So, plus 2 is equal to 0. First equation. Right? Again. What is the second point? What will happen? Minus 6 square plus c is equal to 0. So what will happen? Minus 12g plus c plus 36 is equal to 0. Second equation. What is the third point? Minus 2, 2. Minus 2 square plus 2 square plus 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. Substitutions are running. So 4 plus 4 minus 4g plus c is equal to 0 plus 8 is equal to 0. 3 equations we got. First I am going to solve 1 and 2. What is the first equation? 2f plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. Second equation, plus c plus 36 is equal to 0. Subtract, plus minus minus. C will get cancelled. 14g plus 2f minus 34 is equal to 0. Cancel with the 2 table. 7g plus f minus 7 is equal to 4. Again 1 and 3. So what is the first equation? 2g plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. What is the third equation? Plus c plus 8 is equal to 0. Plus minus minus minus. C will get cancelled. Revision చేస్తాను సార్, గుర్తుంచుకోండి. Cancel with the 2 table. So fifth equation. Now we got first point, second point, third point, 3 equations, solving 1 and 2 and solving 1 and 3. So we are starting from this video onwards, most important questions in Group B circles. Okay, right? You have to solve 4 and 5. Okay, next we have to solve 4 and 5. Now I am doing by cross multiplication method. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మెథడ్ చెప్తాను సార్ కదా. సో GF1 రాయాలి, G కింద 1 లైన్, F కింద 1 లైన్, 1 కింద 1 లైన్. దెన్ రైట్ ద F కోఎఫిషియంట్ హియర్ -1 -3. సో స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద F కోఎఫిషియంట్. అగైన్ హియర్ F కోఎఫిషియంట్ is 1, కాన్స్టెంట్ is -17, 7, 1. సో ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ F కోఎఫిషియంట్, దెన్ కాన్స్టెంట్, G కోఎఫిషియంట్ and F coefficient. 1 -17, 7, 1. So what is G by 17 minus of -3, AD minus BC. F by -21 minus 51 is equal to 1 by 3 minus 7. So G by 20, F by plus 51 minus 21. So 30 is equal to 1 by 10. So G is equal to 20 by 10, F is equal to 30 by 10. So G value 2, F value 3. Right? Now put in 1, first equation. What is the first equation? 2G, G value 2, 2F, F value, sorry, 2G, 2F, F value 3 plus C plus 2 is equal to 0. So what will happen? 4 plus 6 plus C plus 12. C plus 12 is equal to 0. C is equal to -12. Therefore, circle equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx. 2gx means 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now what is the, he says concyclic. Therefore what is the fourth point? What is the fourth point? Since concyclic, what is the fourth point? -2 comma -8. We will substitute here. So 4 plus 64 minus 8 minus 48 minus 12. If you put, it will be 0. Therefore, it is concyclic. Okay. So you have to formulate the equations and we have to solve. Please note down this. Now, let us say second way. Okay, let is the required circle. So 9 comma 1. Plus C is equal to 0. 81 plus 1 plus 18G plus 2F plus C is equal to 0. Again 18G plus 2F plus C plus 82 is equal to 0. First equation. What is second point? 7 square plus 9 square plus 2G into 7, 2F into 9 plus C is equal to 0. 49 plus 81 plus 14G plus 18F plus C is equal to 0. 14G plus 18F plus C plus 130 is equal to 0. Second equation. What is the third point? -2 comma 12. -2 square plus 12 square plus 2G into -2 plus 12F into 2, sorry, 12F into 12 plus C is equal to 0. 4, here I am putting arrow, this point I am substituting. 144 minus 4G plus 24F plus C is equal to 0. Plus C plus 148 is equal to 0. Third equation. Solve. 1 and 2. Again same procedure sir. 1 is what? 18G plus 2F plus C plus 82 is equal to 0. What is second equation? 14g plus 18f plus c plus 130 is equal to 0. Subtract minus 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 minus, c will get cancelled. 4g minus 16f 1848. Cancel with the 4 table. Fourth equation. Again solve 1 and 3. What is the first equation, sir? Plus c plus 82 is equal to 0. Then what is the third equation? Subtract plus minus minus minus, c will get cancelled. So 22g minus 22f minus 66 is equal to 0. Cancel with 12. Now 22. G minus f minus 3 is equal to 0. Fifth equation. Okay, we got fourth equation and fifth equation. We have to solve for g and f. Okay, we have to solve 4 and 5. So I'll write again equations. G comma minus 4f comma 0, g comma minus f comma minus 3 is equal to 0. So g f 1. You can put a lines like this: minus 4, minus 12, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, 1, minus 1. G by 12 minus 12. 4 into 3 12, minus into minus plus అవుతుంది సార్, ఇది కూడా మైనస్ ఏ, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 12, AD minus BC. Similarly F by minus 12 minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 1 minus of 4. So G by 0 here plus F by minus 9 minus 12 minus of minus, right? Next 1 by minus of minus is plus, 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore G is equal to 0 by 3, which is 0. F is equal to minus 3, right? So we got G value, F value. Again, where we put any equation substitute are first, second, third, anywhere. So I am putting the first one, put in 1. So 18g, 18 into 0 plus 2 into f value minus 3 plus c plus 82 is equal to 0. It is 0 minus 6 plus c plus 82 is equal to 0. C plus 76 is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 76. Therefore, circle equation: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 76 is equal to 0. This is circle equation. Now, given what is the fourth point? Concyclic. So, దీంట్లో substitute చేద్దాం సార్. 6 square plus 10 square minus 6 into 10 minus 76. 36 plus 100 minus 60 minus 76. 136 minus 136, 0. So concyclic. Okay, therefore circle. Again you can write the equation 0, right? So here formation of the equation, solving for G and F and C, and last point substitute cheyali sir. Okay, fourth point substitute cheste you should get 0. Okay, here why I have taken this, G value get 0, F value get something. Okay, note on this. Okay, next one. Let is the required circle. So first point answer. So 1 square minus 6 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into minus 6 plus c is equal to 0. 1 plus 36 plus 2g plus c is equal to 0 plus 37 is equal to 0. Formations are again 5 comma 2. 5 square plus 2 square plus c is equal to 0. 25 plus 4 plus 10g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0 plus 29 is equal to 0. Second equation. Again 0. Third equation. Malli solve the 1 and 3. See, I am formulating equations, sir. Solve 1 and 2. What is the first equation? 12g minus 12f plus c plus 37 is equal to 0. What is the second equation? 10g plus 4f plus c plus 29 is equal to 0. Subtract minus 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 minus. C will get cancelled. Minus plus 8 is equal to 0. Remove the 8 table. Fourth equation. 1 and 3. Zero plus c plus 49 is equal to 0. Minus minus minus. C will get cancelled. So minus g cancel with a minus 12 directly. G plus f plus 1 is equal to 0. Fifth equation. Every time we are formulating equations, solve cheyam. Gurtunchukondi sir. Okay. You have to solve for g and f. Right? Next. So G F1 line here minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 2. Next 1 1 1 1. G by minus 2 minus 1 F by 1 minus of minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 1 plus minus of minus 2. So G by minus 3 F by 2. Here minus of minus is plus, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore G is equal to minus 3, F is equal to 2. Again procedure students are, it's all same, only equations of change. Put in 1. So 2G, so minus 6 minus 12F minus 24 plus C plus 37 is equal to 0. C plus 7 is equal to 0. Minus 24 minus 6. Okay. So C is equal to minus 7. So what is the circle equation? Circle equation minus 3 2 plus 1 plus 3 minus 4 plus 1. Right. Okay. Circle equation. Okay. Circle equation is what? 14G. 14G. G value minus 3 minus 42 minus 7. Okay, right. Circle equation. I am verifying equations are minus 6x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now what is the last point? Since concyclic ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ రాయాలి సార్. minus 1 comma minus 4 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది 1 plus 16 plus 6 minus 16 minus 7. So 22 plus 1 23 minus 23 is equal to 0. Therefore concyclic circle equation x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. So look at this, same models are running. Okay, I will give you one problem for practice. ఇది ట్రై చేయండి సార్. వన్ కామా 2, 3 comma minus 4, 5 comma minus 6, 19 comma 8. There are 4 problems of concyclic sir. Okay, ఈ 4 problems నేర్చుకోవాలి కంపల్సరీగా. ఓకే, సో we'll continue in the next video. Only important problems ఉంటాయి సార్ ఈ వీడియోస్లో, అన్ని చాప్టర్స్ విన్నావు. అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్ ద రివిజన్ సార్. ఓకే, రివిజన్లో వీ హావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ విత్ ద సర్కిల్స్. మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్సే చేస్తున్నాను సార్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ ట్రై దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం.